Morning everybody. Today we discuss about a trigonometry, that is the circular function. What is the circular function? You are defining the trigonometry in the circle, then it is a circular function. Let us take any one of the point on the circle, here P. Any point in xy plane is x comma y. Here what is x? X is from origin run towards x positive axis. Now it is the one point, it is the run. How much you are running? You are running this. Now rise, go up. The rise up. Then you are reaching this point P. How much rise? Rise is y. Run, rise. Run, rise. You can get the point the P. Now this is the radius of the circle. Radius of the circle is R. Radius R, X and Y. Now define the trigonometry. This is angle theta. Angle theta is x positive axis to this is terminal line. This terminal line is the angle. Now sine theta. Sine theta. Theta is equal sine theta. This is angle theta. So it is x, it is y, it is r. The ratio of rise and diagonal. How much rise? How much the diagonal? This diagonal, this ratio is always fixed in the same one triangle. So that ratio is y by r. It is the sine theta. Now cos theta, ratio of run and diagonal, x by r. This is the ratio. Ratio you are defining as a cos. It is the run and diagonal. Tan theta. Tan theta is how much rise. Rise ratio. Rise into that is x. The ratio of rise and run, that is y by x. Cos theta is ratio of run by rise, x by y. Sec theta. Sec theta is ratio of r, x. This ratio. Cosec theta. Ratio of r, y. These are the definitions. How many trigonometric functions? There are 6 functions. Now what is y? Here it is a rise. Suppose this point is moving to here. Suppose P is here. Now the point, this is a radius r. Now where is the angle theta? Draw another circle. Suppose the point is P is here. Now join this. Now from x positive axis to this angle is theta. Now draw here. It is x, it is y. Actually this is negative axis, but y is positive. In the second coordinate, x is negative, y is positive. So x is negative, y is positive. Now the definition of this one is, now convert this all into x and y. It is r. Sin theta is equal to y by r. Cos theta is equal to x by r. Now this same definition is here also. Suppose the point now see this is right angle triangle here, but angle is this one. It is more than 90 degrees, more than 90 degrees, less than 180 degrees. Here 90 degrees, so theta is less than 180 degrees. This angle. It is in second quadrant. Suppose it is in third quadrant. P is here. Now join this and this. It is x, it is y. Where is angle theta? From this it is angle theta. Here also definition is the same. Suppose another one is fourth quadrant. Here the point P, join. Now it is x, it is y, it is r. It is r. Now what is angle? Angle is this. This is more than 270, less than 360. Here 270 degrees, theta 360 degrees. Here theta is 180, more than 180, less than 270 degrees. For the third quadrant, it is the for third quadrant. It is for first quadrant. See, it is the first quadrant is 0 to 90 degrees, first quadrant. And fourth is 270 to 360, fourth. If this is rotating like this in second quadrant and third and next it is fourth, again rotate, then first quadrant. Again rotate means one rotation completed. One rotation completed to 360 degrees over. More than 360 degrees, then it is again first quadrant came. Now say these trigonometric values are positive or negative. Why R is always positive. Y is positive in first and second quadrant. First and second Y positive, so it is positive in first quadrant, second quadrant. Positive. It is positive. So in remaining quadrants, it is negative. See the cos theta x. X is positive in first and fourth. Positive in first, and fourth. Tan theta x and y both are positive in first, both are negative in third. Both are negative, so negative by negative is positive. So it is positive in first, third. Similarly, remaining tan is nothing but xy 1 by x. It is reciprocal, so cos theta is equal 1 by tan theta. Sec theta is equal 1 by cos theta. Cosec theta is equal 1 by sin theta. Again tan theta is equal y by r, x by r, divide by r, then it is sin theta by cos theta also. Cos theta is equal cos theta by sin theta, it is reciprocal. These are the definitions of trigonometric functions or circular functions. Good morning. Now we discuss about trigonometric functions or circular functions. A formula in circular functions, already we know that in the first quadrant all are positive because x positive and y positive. In second quadrant angle is more than 90 but less than 180 degrees. This angle, it is angle in the second quadrant, but second quadrant only sine positive, cosec positive, remaining all negative. How to remembering this? By observing this ASTC, Assam State Transport Corporation, like that. It is easy to remembering. all S sin T tan C cos are positive. Now see, all are positive here. Here sin cosec positive, remaining all negative. In third quadrant 180 more than 180, tan cot positive, remaining negatives. 272 360 degrees, it is 360 also. When rotation हो गया तो 360 degrees. Now 270 more than fourth quadrant cos and sec are positive, remaining are negative. The yellow colors are negative and other colors are positive. See this. Now it is more than 360 degrees. Suppose this is the terminal ray. You can move it like this. 180 degrees. Now it is 270 degrees. Now it is 360 degrees. If it is more 30 degrees than 360 plus 30. Now 360 plus 90. Like that number of rotations here. Now one rotation हो गया तो sin 360 plus theta is nothing but sin theta. Everything is 360 plus is again same function. So 360 does not affect on value of the trigonometry. 360 plus theta is equal to sin theta. 360 plus x, I am writing x instead of theta is x. X is not x coordinate. X is an angle. Suppose in the question x is the angle, then write the cos x. If it is theta, then theta. If it is alpha, then alpha. It is depend upon here. If it is given, then it is 1. Cot 360 plus x, cot x does not change. 360 degrees, when you add in 360 degrees, it does not change. Okay? This is the, to remember this ASTC are all silver T curves. Also, you may remember this one. Welcome back. Formula third, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Why it is 1? What is sin square theta? Sin square theta. Sin theta is equal y by r. Cos theta is x by r. Squaring on both sides and add. So y square by r square, x square by r square. That is x square plus y square by r square. What is x square plus y square? See, it is a point x comma y. This is origin. This length is root of x square plus y square. Now it is x, it is y, it is root of x square plus y square is equal to r. It is r. Now root nahi to it is r square. R square by r square. Cancel the 1. Y by r whole square plus x by r whole square is equal to 1. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta, and 1 minus, if you write it is sin square theta, then it is cos square theta. Now 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. How is it? Divide by sin square theta on both sides. You can now, to get the tan square, divide by cos square theta. Sin square by cos square is tan square. Cos square cancel 1, it is sec square. So tan square plus 1 plus sec square. For this, divide by sin square theta. 1 cos by sin is cot, cosecant square theta. Now see, this is sec square theta minus tan square is equal to 1. So sec plus tan, sec minus tan, it is sec square minus tan square is equal to 1. Then you write this, that it is 1 by sec theta plus tan theta. Similarly, cosecant theta also. cosecant minus cot is equal to 1 by cosecant plus cot. But sin x into cosecant x. Cosecant x is nothing but 1 by sin x. Now cancel to 1. But x is not equal to 0 degrees and x is not equal to pi radians and 2 pi radians. If it is 0, sin 0, 0, cosecant 0 is 1 by 0, not defined. So sin x into cos x cancel. If both are defined, then it is the 1. Now sin theta in terms of cos theta. Sin theta is equal to minus root of 1 minus cos square theta. If minus sin theta is minus, then minus. Sin theta is positive, then plus root of 1 minus cos square theta. When it is sin theta negative, in which quadrant? Third and fourth. Third quadrant. Suppose this is here third and fourth, sin theta is negative. Suppose theta is in first and second, now it is positive, sin theta positive, so only plus root of 1 minus cos square theta.